Today, we're going to show you how to assemble a Bristlebot. All the components you need are included in the kit. Toothbrush head, double-sided foam tape, vibrating motor, a small coin-sized battery, self-adhesive googly eyes, and pipe cleaners. Take the double-sided foam tape and put it on top of the toothbrush head. When it's secure, peel off the wax paper backer. Stick the vibrating motor onto the foam tape near the square end of the toothbrush head. Make sure the end of the motor can freely rotate. Take one of the two wire leads and gently press it into the foam tape. Make sure it's not too deep. It will need to make contact with the battery. Next, take the coin cell battery and press it down onto the foam tape with the positive side up and the bottom side of the battery touching the first wire lead. Test the circuit by touching the second wire to the top of the battery. The motor will spin when the circuit is complete. Stick two pipe cleaners onto the middle of the Bristlebot and bend them so they hold the Bristlebot upright and keep it from tipping over. Attach the two googly eyes by peeling off the wax paper backer and sticking them onto the Bristlebot. Activate the Bristlebot by touching the top wire to the top or side of the battery. The side works well because the tension of the bent wire will hold it in place. Your Bristlebot is ready to go. Congratulations! You just made your very own Bristlebot. Like and subscribe to this channel for more great projects, and come visit us at browndoggadgets.com.